Hi first graders. This week we have been focused on community helpers. Community helpers are those that help us where we live in our community. These are teachers, doctors, the police, firemen, mail delivery. There are so many. Those who pick up the garbage. These are all people who help us do jobs that make our community work. So today we're going to be talking about community safety. And community safety involves not talking to strangers, understanding symbols that you see around the neighborhood, such as stop or when to walk or cross the street. And then we're also talking about being a good citizen. And a good citizen is someone who takes care of their community and is respectful toward themselves and others. This means picking up trash when you see it on the ground. So some of you already do this outside for recess. This also includes being considerate. That means being nice to everyone, no matter who they are. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoy the videos.